I'm from the Philippines.
I'm from Phoenix.
Together,
Together, we're
we're
Phil's
Phil's
to
to Phoenix,
Phoenix. Two countries.
one heart. And
Welcome
welcome to
to our
our
weekly
weekly
Chikka
Chikka
Chikka.
Chikka.
Hey, we're getting good with that.
High five. Okay, I'm giving you a recap of what's going on last week. Oh no. Yeah, last week and
Yeah,
last week.
last week we didn't post one that with the earthquakes and everything that happened. We talked about it and just decided
Just,
not
yeah.
to. That's not.
We were just like, yeah.
Uh, but really, not a whole lot went on. I went down. I got a honey baked ham for Easter. We went down to Casa Grande to see my sister, my brother-in-law, and my brother was in town for Easter. And we got some news on him that he's not doing well, and he's going to be heading back to
Washington, yeah.
Washington, Washington State. And as a matter of fact, he left Thursday,
Wednesday.
Thursday.
I guess Wednesday. I don't know.
I thought they packed it. Anyways, he left last week sometime. But him and my brother-in-law are driving their truck or his truck in a U-Haul up to Washington.
Yeah.
Uh, but other than Easter, not a whole lot happened last week.
Yeah.
This week, you started classes.
Yep. I don't know what it is yet. I feel like it's intense. But I feel like I don't want to study, but I need to study, like it's just debating. So, yeah.
Only two more to go. This one and one more.
Yeah, I know.
And what's this? What's the title for this class?
It's a advanced accounting 660. It's actually I don't know, but it's yeah. I don't know, but it's intense.
So what's the next class?
The last one is financial analytics.
Ooh. I'm not even sure what that is. At least
I know.
accounting, I got a slight idea what that
I know. I feel like
entail.
I'll try my best, but yeah, I'll see.
You're going to be a serious number cruncher at the end of this class, huh?
I don't know.
You're going to do amazing in it. Your average is, what, a B plus plus?
No, A. A
Oh.
minus.
A minus? Okay.
It's like 3.7. That's A minus.
Okay. I was happy with D's, okay?
Degree. Well, it's a master's degree, something like that.
Yeah, D's don't get master's degrees, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's amazing, but I will see. I feel like I try to be motivated on top of life. So, so
It's a big thing.
we'll see. I need to stretch out and flexible and motivated, guess. I cannot explain.
But you actually had a delay starting this class, so this class is going to end a little bit later than you anticipated.
Yeah, we're actually 4 only in that class. And then my classmates are, I would say, more experienced than I am.
Well, and this may not be a bad thing, but
Some are like, one is like going to a CFO, like looking forward for a CFO position. The other one is already a general manager. The other one, and like they asked me, I'm like, I call it in Filipino kulelat, like at the bottom. Now I started to question myself. Am I in the right direction? Am I like, I don't know. I'm like,
you're going to be one of those people very shortly anyhow. So
yeah, okay. That's my
you're
story.
just getting it out of the way before you actually get into the position.
So that's my story.
But this class ending a little bit later and you deciding to take a break is actually working out to our advantage because we're going to
Philippines!
you have vacation scheduled from August 1st?
1st to August 16th.
So we're going to be spending, or you're going to be spending
2 weeks or
about 2 weeks
Yeah.
in the Philippines because the flight times and all that fun stuff.
Yeah.
And we're starting to look for tickets.
Yep.
I'm probably going to go 2 weeks early.
Yeah.
About 2 weeks early. And I'm going to, because I'm way more flexible, I'm gonna try and book the cheapest possible ticket I can
Yeah.
for me, regardless of what days I travel. But it's gonna stick you traveling. It's gonna stick both of us traveling by ourselves, which
It's okay.
that kind of sucks. But
That's fine.
to do this as least expensively as possible, we're gonna do it that way.
Yeah.
And uh, plans are, I'm gonna go in advance, go to Cebu, and then buy us a trike.
Yep.
Plans are, plans change. Uh, we, I've got the money set aside in a retirement account that we can afford to do it. It'll only be around 1,500 to 2,500
Yeah.
U.S. dollars, so it's not going to be terribly expensive. We've already talked with your brother and his wife, and he'll get his license, and they can use it for their farm.
Yep.
So that's actually a pretty good thing. Uh, that our plans between now and then aren't a whole lot other than kind of go into ultra savings mode to try and save up because we were just finally recouping from the missions trip when this trip to Rochester came in.
Yeah.
And fortunately, we had more than enough that we were comfortable in doing it, and we enjoyed it a lot.
Yes.
But it did eat a bit into our vacation savings, so we're trying to resave. But fortunately, this trip is going to be entirely at your family's house.
Yep. Uh-oh.
So that's going to save us a huge amount of money while we're over there, too. So, but it'll make some real cool footage about what's going on because
It's our talent fiesta. They're in Sibonga, so it would be cool. It would be oh my god, I cannot remember when is the last time I'd experienced a talent fiesta. Oh my, 9 years?
oh, it was long before you and I met then.
Yeah. Well, I did not experience talent fiesta in August because I go back in Manila last, the end of July, remember?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So I did not experience a talent fiesta there when we...
I didn't even know what there was a town fiesta at that point.
So
So
it's like 9 years.
I would have encouraged you to stay if I would have realized that. But
Life happens. It's
I was still learning. And there's John Ray's going to be there.
Yep.
You'll be there.
Yep.
Jen will be there.
Yep. And
And there's an outside chance
Juju will be there.
Juju will be there. So it'll be the first time in a long time
5 years.
that all four of you will be.
Because the last time was 2000 when we were married, so 4 years and a half.
Well, no, that all four of you weren't together because
Oh, yeah.
Jill showed up just afterwards.
Yes, and Kuya left already, going back to Manila.
And Kuya had already left.
Yep, that's correct.
So it was before that even.
Yeah.
I got to meet all of them, but not at once.
Yeah, it's been like 5, because Juju graduated in 2014, so yeah, 5 years.
So it's been quite a while.
Yeah.
But it'll be really cool, and even if Jill isn't able to show up, it'll still be a huge thing.
Yeah.
Because John Ray is coming to
The U.S.
the States.
Yep.
That he got a job.
We'll see. Yeah.
We're still. You said he got approved.
That's what I heard. So I need more, details on that. So.
Okay. Okay, it looks like John Ray's coming to the States
Yep.
and doing a teaching contract here.
Yeah.
Which will be very exciting for him.
Yep. It would be interesting, exciting, and a new culture.
Yeah, he's going to have a little bit of culture shock, especially with the American public school system.
Yeah. It would be interesting.
And the last little bit of news is we're starting a Visayan language class.
Yep.
That a few years ago we found a Peace Corps language manual,
Yeah.
that I've been trying to go through. Cindy's been trying to help me with it. And we're going to start doing just a real quick vocabulary type to begin with.
Yeah.
And then as it gets a little further into it, we'll start doing a little bit of conversational. and seeing if that helps me a little bit with getting along with it. And maybe while we're gone, we can actually
More.
get like Papa or something like that to help with it.
Agreed.
Some of the others to help with it. That might be kind of cool.
Cool. I'm looking forward for
But
it.
look for that video coming up. We will probably start posting those on Wednesdays. Not this coming Wednesday, but next Wednesday.
Yeah.
But other than that, we're actually pretty well caught up.
Yep.
We tried to do car shopping this weekend, and that didn't go over as well as planned. And the all but one dealer wasn't terribly enthused with us trying to do videos. So
Yeah. So I went to a Broadway show last Friday.
oh yeah, that's right. Friday you went to a Broadway show.
Yeah. With my office mates.
So how was that?
It was unexpected. Like I didn't realize there's so many people in there, and guess I like musical, so it's interesting because I can get the story, but sometimes it's hard to understand the words that they're saying. I need to catch up, and I feel dizzy sometimes because I guess there's so many people and the lights and
So much
just
action going on.
and then it's
Yeah.
just boom boom boom, but it's actually overall it's actually cool. It's a cool experience, and I feel like where people are dressed up like wearing dress and like like really really like, and I said, oh okay, guess it's a Broadway show. And I realized when I watch shows in UK, like the crowns, they're like the royal something, I'm like, oh, they're really dressed up when they watch.
Yeah, when we go to the theater, we put on.
It's just like, oh, okay, it didn't make sense. How much should wear dress? No, kidding. So it was overall a good experience for me. If they will ask me to try again, yeah, why not? Maybe I will try Miss Saigon. But I know. We'll see if we can afford.
Yeah, Broadway. The tickets to those shows can be kind of pricey.
Yeah, but it's a really, really cool experience.
I thought about trying to do one for our anniversary, but there's a dinner theater up here. It's similar to that, except you actually get served a really nice meal
Oh.
a little bit before, and then during, you're doing dessert and drinks,
Oh, that's
and it's a really neat experience to go do. But yeah, tickets are kind of pricey. Tickets are kind of
It's
pricey.
okay. We'll just go to the Philippines and enjoy the beach and the coconut, the buko. So I have different perspective of
Hey, everybody's got their own enjoyment, and
Yeah.
those things are really fun and cool to go to. But yeah,
Yeah.
I'll agree with you. I'd rather go to the beach and
Or the
kick back on a
mountains
chase
and-
lawn with a San Miguel.
or eat dried fish or banana cue. And Saturday I went to the Bible study. Sorry, you've been alone for the.
Well, we got to go shopping today.
Yeah,
But you also went to your Bible study. They
Yeah,
got to
we-
eat dried fish,
we got plates today.
and we decided to start packing for a Balikbayan box.
They're so cute though. It's turtle.
And we found some dollar store plates that were really cool.
I have my pineapple. Pineapple. Fine. Okay, fine. Mayo. Apple. Okay.
But we got a neat dinnerware set for 8 plates, 8 serving bowls, or soup bowls, 3
Yeah.
serving bowls that are all in the same theme. We got 8 mugs.
Yeah.
We got 4 blue, 4 pink.
I'm looking forward to drink buku in there.
So
Or
that way when
tuba.
we go back, everybody can be.
Tuba. Cheers.
I want to try this infamous tuba. I
Yeah.
haven't had a chance for
We
that.
should go that. And lechon goat. Lechon kanding. We get
Now I've had goat, but I've never had.
the.
I've had roast goat done here, but I've
Yeah.
never had it there.
In
So
the
that
Philippines.
could be kind of cool.
And more
We'll have to
crabs
see.
and fish and okay, I'm excited already. So, I'm excited to fly. So that's my motivation for my school.
Get through with that. You're gonna have time off, and it'll go well.
Yeah, in the right time. I agree with you. It's just in a perfect time. So,
So,
that's for it.
but anything you come up with, yeah.
no.
So,
Mabuhay!